Good morning. We're actually removing our soft top. The only problem is we have our enclosure. So it's gonna take us a minute to remove our soft top. So we are doing our best trying to remove not that much stuff here. So this is going to be kind of tricky. All right, so we had to do it the long way. So trying to remove our soft top, we would have to remove our Ford enclosure, which sucks.
I know.
But oh well, it is what it is. So surprisingly, it only took us like 10 minutes to remove the sides here.
I think the hard part is just removing all of the accessories.
Yeah, that was the hardest part, was removing all of our accessories. So here we go. So if you guys don't have a molly system, oh man, it's so much faster. Right, that was very hard, removing the soft top. I think I prefer a hard top. So we are now putting everything back. We finished reinstalling our Ford enclosure, so that's cool. So now we're just gonna put all of our stuff back. And so we got our jtop back, and we are putting it on top of our $14 canvas shade. So we are all done, and this is how the Bronco looks like. We're going to fix this later. We're just waiting for the 3M tape.
Good morning.
Good morning. We are testing out our $14 shade again, but this time it has the J-top on top of it.
Yeah.
So we're actually here on a 55-mile-an-hour zone. We're actually in the highway right now. And we are hitting 55 miles an hour right now.
I mean, the front area is okay. Just the back area right there that is like a little bit floppy.
Yeah, because we have no rear windows.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's all open, as you guys can see.
Yeah. So, I mean, it looks good.
We have the shade to protect us from the sunlight.
From the sun.
And then
we have the J-top to protect the $14.
Yup, that's right. So we use the J-top to protect the $14.
Yeah, there you go.
So I'm now going, what's this? I'm now in a 65-mile-an-hour zone now. And this is how it's like with all the windows up. No rear windows at the back. So far, so I'm like looking up to see if so far it's so good. We're on like a major freeway right now, and we're hitting at least 70 miles per hour.
Yeah.
With all the windows up, no rear windows,
and no roof.
and no roof. Just a $14 shade and a J-top. So this is actually not bad. I like it. I like it. Yeah. We're here at Bait. It's a Filipino dessert place here. So here are their Filipino cupcakes right here. They got the famous turon right here, ube cheesecake, and lovely Filipino dish right here. So we got the ube cupcake.
This is dulce de leche.
Dulce de leche.
Turon. And then buko pandan.
Buko pandan. Right, so we got the ube halo right here. She got the taho. It's a Filipino dessert drink.
I don't have a battery.
Oh, she doesn't have the battery.
Oh, no.
It's gonna be hard. Super hard.